All right, y'all, back with another one. Today we got a 1991 Ford Mustang GT, aka Fox Body. You guys know what it is, 5.0. Super solid car. Let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see, it's finished in that that Ford red. Pretty solid car. Driver's quality paint, in my opinion. It's not perfect by any means. Gonna move down the doors. Appear to be properly aligned. All the cladding at the bottom seems to be accurate. We'll keep on moving. I didn't have any major dents or anything that I really needed to point out. Looking down the side of the car, again, no major waves or dents that need to be pointed out. Checking out this trunk area, again, you kind of see what I was talking about. It's just original paint. You know, you got your swirl marks from your car washes and things like that. Nothing crazy though. Back bumper looks good. I don't see any dents or obviously no rust. It's all plastic, so pretty clean. The panels seem like they align pretty properly. Down the driver's side, more of the same. A body, like I said, the body looks like it's in excellent condition. I already saw underneath this car too. Super clean underneath. So keep on moving. Windshield looks solid. I got one little star right here, kind of on that passenger side, but the rest looks fine. Coming down the hood, nothing crazy stands out. I always like the clear headlights on these when people swap them out. This one does have like the smoke look. I think it does look pretty clean. And for some reason they got like that blue fog light. Personally, I prefer it to be clear, but I know some people want it to be period correct. Go ahead and pop the hood. Nothing crazy underneath, pretty clean car. It's got the 5.0. I can tell spark plugs have been swapped out. Got a new intake, but that's really about it. Everything else appears to be pretty stock, relatively clean under here. Power brakes, power steering, non-AC vehicle, aluminum radiator. So let's let that shut. That hood got a little bit of weight to it for a little small car. Really don't have a need to pop the trunk, but we do it. As small as this is. Nothing crazy. Regular clean trunk. Weather seals look pretty decent. Checking out the interior. Interior's in excellent shape. The seats have clearly been redone. Got a parade boot. Get that out the way. Top has also been redone. You can always tell this appears to be original. You kind of see the off-white look to it. You can see how bright white this top and the interior is. So I'll show the top later on in the video like we always do. But rear seats look beautiful. No rips, no tears. Again, you can tell these are new. Same thing with the front passenger. Let me open this up. I don't know why I didn't do that. Panels appear to be original. That's the control for the radio. It slid down. But carpet looks pretty solid. Dash is good. We don't have any cracks or anything like that. Got that 75 Granville coming next. Driver's side. Nothing crazy. Again, seats look great. No rips, no tears. Mileage reads 50,764. Get my seatbelt on. There we go. There's a cold start. I mean, the car been sitting since yesterday at like 4, so voltage is reading right. Looks like everything on here is reading. I got oil pressure, half a tank of gas. We'll see if the temperature comes up. Horn good. That window motor a little bit loud. Actually, yeah, it's just don't start up. Nothing crazy. All our windows are good. Lights are on. I can see them off the door right there. I can see the fog lights too. I'll show you guys that when we do the top, but I can see them showing. Hazards are on. We'll do the top later. Left turn, right turn. Non-AC car, but fan still blows. So morning air. And radio works. Let me see how I changed this. There we go. Radio works in the car. Other than that, I believe that's it. So let's go ahead, back her up. Always like how these 5.0s sound. Nothing crazy. They don't have big power or anything. Obviously, you can, you know, build them however you need to. I know right now it's super popular for people to coyote swap them. I do like that. Still, it's a relatively small car for myself, but exhaust sounds good. Doesn't sound like any leaks or anything. Throttle response is immediate. Everything's coming up, speedo and everything. First shift was relatively smooth. Brakes feel average, nothing crazy. I'm not going to the floor or anything. They're not overly stiff. Pretty sure it's probably disc in the front, drums in the rear. Suspension is a little bit on the firmer side, which that's how these are anyway. Man, I am tripping. I never took the, what's the name down? I'm about to show you once I stop. Like I always say, players mess up too. Didn't even take this off. Hop right in the car after going around it. That would have flew off. I wouldn't have paid attention. And then one of y'all would have called us talking about what happened to the top. Shut the door because the seatbelt was in there. Like I said, she sounds good. Shifts have been smooth, nothing crazy. Alignment might be off a little bit to the right. She's tracking straight with my hands off, but I can tell by the steering wheel a little bit to the right. So probably just hasn't had an alignment in a couple of years. So nothing crazy there. Oh, I never checked the wipers. Here you go. Wipers good. Beautiful day to have the top down. It is 72 as of right now. 8:50 in the morning. So perfect convertible weather in my opinion. Everything is smooth. I'm gonna get her up. Got her up to about 50. So. All right, I'm gonna get her on the rack and we'll check out. All right, y'all, we got the Mustang up on the rack. Starting with the rear bumper, looks pretty solid. Got a little crack right here at the bottom. That's kind of normal on these. These are stress points. You can see on both sides, all the way at the bottom though. Gas tank, no leaks or anything. Got your normal surface rust, but nothing crazy. Drums in the rear. Everything appears to be stock. Exhaust was swapped out, I can tell, at some point in time. Frame is nice and straight, and you see no issues with the floors, no soft spots, nothing there at all, so we're good there. Coming down the driver's side, same. Frame is nice and straight. Very, very clean under here. Control arms were swapped out. I can tell those aren't stock. Disc brakes up in the front. I say it's pretty clean up under here, honestly. Aluminum radiator looks nice and clean. Coming along the passenger side, wheels are nice, all four corners, tread looks good. Again, body looks nice and clean underneath. No issues with the paint, the lower trim. get on over here to the driver's side. Oh, knock that cup holder off. This is a super solid car underneath for sure, so looks clean. I'm gonna go ahead and put the top up. Yeah, definitely a new top. I can always tell by the insides because after a while that black starts turning like that grayish brown. So let's go ahead and check her out. Yeah, wrinkle because it's been down, ignore that. Glass is solid. So yeah, new top, looks nice. So there we go, got the fog lights on and headlights. So if you guys are interested, give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.